Thinking about spousal support during a divorce? Let's dive into who qualifies for it. In Texas, spousal support or maintenance is designed to help a lower-earning spouse meet basic living expenses while they work on becoming financially independent. But it's not automatic. Courts consider specific conditions and the overall situation of both individuals. First, let's talk eligibility. One major factor is family violence. If a spouse was convicted of family violence against the other spouse or their child within 2 years before filing for divorce, or during the divorce proceedings, the affected spouse may qualify for support. Secondly, the length of the marriage matters. If the couple was married for 10 years or longer, the spouse asking for support might qualify if they've tried to earn enough or develop job skills but still can't meet basic needs. Other situations also qualify. If the spouse has a physical or mental disability that prevents them from earning a sufficient living, or if they are the primary caregiver for a child with a disability that hinders their ability to work, spousal support may be granted. Now, how long does spousal support last? Generally, it's up to 5 years for marriages between 10 and 20 years, and up to 7 years for marriages between 20 and 30 years. For marriages over 30 years, it can extend to 10 years. Exceptions apply if there's a disability involved. Remember, Texas also recognizes common law marriages, so if your relationship meets the legal standards, it's treated like a formal one for divorce purposes, including spousal support. If there's any dispute, an attorney can help you prove it. Navigating spousal support can be complex, so getting legal help is crucial. At Daniel Obedi Law, we are here to guide you with clarity and care. We offer personalized legal services, honest communication, and flexible payment options to help you move forward. Schedule a free consultation today with a spousal support attorney who puts your needs first. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com.